Good morning and happy Easter, everybody. I'm just up not long ago. I'm gonna start delivering the packages for my coworkers. They're right there in the seat next to me. I does this for them every year, so it's the least I can do. But first, I'm gonna see if I can go get some coffee. I'm not sure if the coffee place is open, but we'll see. And then I'm gonna come home and we're gonna open presents, and then I gotta get my turkey on the cook and all the fixings that goes with it, dressing and vegetables and everything. Got some coffees and there's some there in the back seat cup holder. I'm at my workplace and I'm just waiting for the boys to be out in a few minutes. I'm gonna give them their gift bags, then I'm gonna head for home. Okay, just checking on my turkey. It's half cooked there now. I'm just going to put it back in. I was just checking on it. And then I got to get my vegetables on the go. Get them all peeled and ready to boil. And then dinner be ready soon. There's some of my stuff spread out all over the bed everywhere. And I got a few other things. I still haven't opened that bag yet. And my hubby, there's some socks. He's rolling them up. And that. And all that stuff down in these bags. Oh, and I'll show you what he got in the box in a minute. And I got that there. And wait, I'll show you what he got from my sister. Since he likes Star Wars, she bought him just a bobblehead. And there's like figurines. Oops, backwards.
I'm a bit there.
Wait, now I'll show you. Okay, oops. I got this one already. I bought that one last year for myself. And you got that one. And Chewy. And this one. Boba Fett. And he got this one. And she also bought him like some tart cords, or straps I should say. And there's some of my stuff. Oh, and he also got that poster right there from her too. I still got a few things I gotta open. There's tissue and gifts everywhere. I had a load of buckles too. I got them all put away, like scrunchies and elastics. Okay, got the vegetables out and ready to go. And like that all peeled, plus my potatoes, carrots, and I got a little bit of dressing still got to go back in the oven. So I'm going to try to get this all done, and happy Easter again to all you guys that's watching. Okay, all the vegetables are cut up and on the boil. There's cabbage there, turnips in the bottom, carrots are there too. They're towards the bottom too, there's a lot in there. I guess the cabbage is maybe the lightest, so it's floating to the top. All you guys, hope your Easter was good, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.